SMCI stock analysis next week and onward. I'm breaking down my exact play for 16th of June in the next upcoming week. Look, as the only guy, just for context, I'm the only guy in the space that's done 42,000 videos like this. It's taken me 5 years, but at least I've seen what's making me money and what's not. So that being said, 4% correction Friday, it's not that bad. I'm looking to take advantage of this. Is obviously hopefully take it further up. And I've talked about this plenty of times before. Yes, I got sell side here, just gap down the next day, and I got a quick little long here. Here's the proof. But last 3 trades have been like this. 2 sells, 2 consecutive sells, and then I mean, it was all longs, but 2 losses and then a win, which is the first one. The last 2 trades were a loss. That's totally fine. It's part of the game, and I'm not going to sit here trying to lie about it. I do have a lot of previous receipts in the Discord as well, in the trade alert section. 71 results pop up. And moving into this next week, for me at least, if there is no sort of double break, I'm not buying. Very simple. Very, very, very simple. So, boom, boom. That being said, let me know what is your opinion on SMCI, and if you do want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month trading, click the first link in the description and get my free email.